welcome back to my channel. So I have another BJD unboxing. If you guys watched my JackyOhhhxo Misha unboxing, then you would know that around that time I picked up another BJD. I picked up a Skyland Dolls Bogun doll, and I've been wanting a Skyland Dolls doll for forever. I just think they're adorable. I originally wanted Piggy, but then I saw Bogun and I was like, I really want Bogun. I still want Piggy though, so maybe one day I'll pick that up. But this is what I got. So this is the box. I feel like it's very nicely packaged. It's like in a box, and then there's like stuff wrapped around the box, so there's more like cushioning for the box. This came quickly-ish. How much did I pay for this doll? Let's see. I have to pull it up on my phone because I don't know. I just buy things and I don't know what I'm doing. I paid $370, and that's with shipping. So the doll is $320. So yeah, there's also like a discount going on at the time or something. I don't know. I bought it around Christmas. So yeah, we're gonna open her. We're gonna see her in all of her glory. I think I got the color pink, but I think it's like a skin tone pink, so it's like not even a pink. I wanted tan, but tan was like an extra 40 bucks or something. Tan, why is tan so expensive sometimes? Like, I just was like, I don't know, dude, I'm broke. I shouldn't even, at the time, I shouldn't have even been buying this doll. So add an extra $40 onto it was just a little bit. It was like Christmas time. I was like, that's like somebody's present. So I'm just gonna open it, show you guys. I have a knife. Hey, I don't think this is the safest way to open this, but it is what it is. It's what I got. It smells very resiny. Just like the exterior of the box. So there's the box. This is 1/5 scale, I believe. I'm 90% certain. So I don't know how many like inches it is. I'll have no idea. This is, I think, my first 1/5. But, like, looking at it, like, I feel like this is like 1/6. I don't know. I was trying to look up actually the other day how many inches or like centimeters this was, but I just couldn't find it. Comes with a little shirt. I think I heard that like it was come with like some little shirty things, which is kind of cute. It's just like Skyland dolls on it. Little anime face. We love to see it. And this is the box. Peach pink. I love pink. Just like this. What is this? Oh, it's like cardboard. It's like saran wrap clothes. My knife is falling. Alright. Let's open this thing, because it looks like a shirt, but it looks like kind of like a big shirt. So I'll open this thing before I get into the main attraction. Oh, okay. So it's like a t-shirt. Cute. And bloomers! I love bloomers. Okay. I really like this. There's some bloomers. They're like simple, but like cute. I don't know. It's a little outfit. That's pretty nice, honestly. Okay, so there's like a little sticker here. It says thank you. This is also an artist BJD. I think Skyland Dolls is just one person, to my knowledge. So that is that. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. That's resiny. Like wafted right in my face. Holy shit. So this is like a little like pouch thing you can put her in. I'll put this over here. Let's pull out this other stuff and then I'll get to the doll. I'm assuming that this is the COA. Right, I feel like I'm just the worst envelope opener that there ever was. I try, it ends up getting ripped up. Alright, there's a bunch of like cards in here. Okay, so we've got, oh, this is, who is this one? I don't know. Oh no. What is her name? Fern. It's Fern. I wanted Fern at one point. Still kind of want Fern. I want all of, I think Skyland dolls is a he. I want all of his dolls. They're just so adorable. Like, and there's like a variety of faces. This one's kind of more, I don't know, like kind of whimsical, dreamy looking. And then we have Piggy, who is adorable. That's Piggy. This is the one that I originally wanted. Still want Piggy, still want Fern. I just want them all. I just feel like they all have like cute little different personalities. This is, I guess, the COA. So it's got some art on it. That's really cute. I wish I got a tan. Okay, so I got, this is my name, which is cool, like that. The sculpt name and then the birthday, so like when it was made. It's got like a little anime head on it. They're nice. And then I'm assuming that these are hands. Yes, okay, and a keychain. Oh, I really like this. I like that a lot. That's very nice. It's nice, like, I feel like there's like so many added little things. Oh, bruh, I have no idea what I'm buying when I buy it. So there's a bunch of hands. I thought that they just came with like one set, but I guess I have 2 sets of hands. That's cool. So there's, I don't know which ones go together. I guess it doesn't really matter. Shit. I guess it doesn't really matter. I like these 2. They're very like, I don't know, graceful looking, and then these ones are very cute. And they're magnetic. I love me a magnetic hand. Are the feet magnetic? No, but I love me a magnetic hand. I think this is my first 1/5 scale doll. I believe. I don't really know how to picture it. Let's put her on this little baggie. Okay, so here she is. She's all curled up. I was wondering if this was a similar size. I think these are hot glue suede because I was like, what is all this leftover resin? But I think that's actually hot glue. I was whoa, this leg looks freaky. I've heard people say that the hot glue melts in the mail. I think I saw Teeny Tinker saying that. Which, this is a little sticky, so I'm assuming that's why. Let me point it down a little bit more. So I think it might have like melted a little bit. I was wondering if this was similar size to my Doll Zone little snow head with a B27 I think body, but I don't think it is. I think this is like a bit bigger. I have it over there, which I'll show you guys. A little comparison size. Okay, so there's just, oh wow, the face. Okay. I really like it. Oh. I like it. That's the face. This is the curvy body. So they have a slim body now, if you guys aren't crazy about like dolls with like, you know, the big hip thing going on, like big thighs. Let's try the hands on. And it has one of those like detachable heads, which is nice. So let's try these ones on. It's like my mini fees. They have magnetic hands too. Wow. There's like a lot of movement to this head. Does it have a kip on it or whatever? Yes, it does. All these little kip things. There's one on her neck. It just gives a lot of posability to the head that it wouldn't otherwise have. This is the thing on the back. So this thing is very nice. Like, I don't know, it's like a little gold logo thing. That's pretty cool. It just has a really sweet little face. It's very interesting. So this is the pink. So it's like a pink skin tone. It's basically just like a warm peach, I would say. Oh, I think the chest, yeah. So the chest definitely melted a bit, the hot glue in there. So it's pretty tough. Let's The face is detachable. Oh, there's more like little logo thing. There's like a little S on the inside. That's adorable. Yeah, pretty strong. That's the back, and you have like a little magnet thing you can put here if you want to like put a tail on her. She seems well strung, just like a first impressions, which I always appreciate because I hate restringing dolls. So that's her arm. That's quite a bit of posability. The hand doesn't really like move too much, but I feel like with these magnetic hands, it's kind of limited because if you push it too far back, it's just gonna come off the magnet. But I still like magnetic hands. She can go pretty, yeah, that's decent, like side to side. And then, ooh, she got one of these like peanut things here. I don't know what to call this. I don't know. It's like the balls, but it's two balls, whatever you call that. And a little mobility joint. So you can go like right and left. I think this is, okay, it was a little snug. And then the knees. What's going on here? Wait, oh, I have to twist it back. I love this style of knee where it like doesn't have a kneecap, I guess, joint. It's just, you know, smooth. I just really like it aesthetically. I do like the other knees too that dolls have, but I like this one a lot. Pretty good movement there. It gets all the way back there. I'm going to see if she'll stand. I feel like she will because she seems well strung. She seems nicely weighted. So I think she'll be really easily, I think it'll be really easy to stand her. Yeah, so that was very easy. Is it zooming on her? I think so. So that was super, super easy. Like literally just plop and she stands. Let's say she's not falling down or anything when I go around her. Oh, I didn't even see like her foot. How's this doing? I mean, I think that's like, that's pretty basic. Seems to be what most feet do. It looks like it's wired too, just looking at the inside. So yeah, he did like all the stuff that you can do for a doll for Posability, which is pretty great. Like strongly appreciate it. Let me just put this up. Yeah, so let's see. I'm gonna stand her up. I wanna see. I feel like the other one's gonna come like here, but they feel like they're like kind of similar dolls to me. Like the head size and everything. I could be wrong though. Hey, I love it. You love to see it. You love to see a doll that just stands. And you don't need to do anything. Love it so much. Okay, she's gonna be like quite a bit shorter. I mean, they are completely like different scales. But like they could be friends, you know? They both got big old heads. Oops, sorry, Beanie. Okay. Yeah, I feel like they're in like a similar world. Like this is her little sister or something. Oh my god, I love them together. Okay. I feel like this looks like her big sister or something. I don't know. So cute. I feel like they look so cute together. I don't know, I just feel like it's like a similar aesthetic going on. So yeah, that's my Doll Zone doll, little snowhead. I think B27 body. It's not the body it normally comes with. So if you want this doll, just be sure to take that into account. The toes look like, I feel like I always like looking at the toes. Because some of these dolls have such cute little like beefy feet. So here she is. I think the thing that really drew me to this doll was the mouth. I just really like the mouth on it. I'm gonna show you guys close-ups and everything, but I just like it. That's what the profile looks like. It just has very like pouty lips. I like when dolls have, I don't know what to call it, but like when the lips kind of go like this. Like it comes up at a point. I really like that. I think it's so cute. I love this scale too. I really like 1/5 scale because sometimes 1/4 scale feels really big to me. Like I love I'd say 1/4 is my preference, but sometimes it just feels really big. I just feel like I have like a lot of kind of big dolls lying around. I feel like after seeing this doll, I want Piggy even more. Like I just feel like this doll is so cute. It comes with eyes, by the way. These eyes are like fine. They're very like dark, but they are like glittery, which is cool. I think that Skyland dolls also makes, I think they make like eyes, they make clothes. I think they make all sorts of stuff. If you guys didn't know, Skyland dolls is centered in Vietnam. So that's where he lives. So this is like a Vietnamese artist. It has magnets on the head if you guys want to put horns on it. I'm not completely understanding what this magnet should do, just because it feels like it's in an odd place. Like maybe you can make a magnetic ponytail on a wig. It's a thing, I guess, maybe. But I don't really know like what's going on with this one. But these two, you can put like horns on its head, which is cool. That is Bogun. I just adore this doll. When I saw that Skyland dolls made this doll, I kind of like just fell in love with the face. I think that a lot of his dolls have a sort of like innocent or young kind of fresh beauty about them, which I really like, but they're still like very like stylized. I really like stylized proportions on dolls. I also just think that he has a very specific style, which is cool to see, because I always appreciate that. I think that the price point of this doll is like pretty decent because it's an artist doll. It's not super tiny. It comes with like extra hands. It comes with a little outfit. It comes with like the cute little keychain. Just comes with some cool stuff. It's very sturdy. Like it has a nice weight to it. It's not overly like thin, the resin and everything. I'm just pretty impressed, and I'm excited to see what else they come out with. I feel like they come out with like sculpts all the time, like they're constantly working. If you guys picked up any of Skyland dolls, let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear about it. I'd love to hear which one you picked up. Did you get this sculpt, or did you get like Fern, or did you get Piggy? I think they're all very cute. Do you guys want to pick up one of these in the future? I think that he has pre-orders like all the time. I think he may have just ended one. So if you like this doll, I'm sure there's going to be an opportunity to pick it up. Like this video if you like this video. Subscribe, makes me happy, and I hope you guys are having a beautiful day. Bye!